Hey guys, that's embarrassing. So, I'm just leaving now to go camping. I'm going to pick up my friends, Zoila and Lucy. Then we're going to be away, you know, we're going to Kaifanawania stream camp. Well, that was a bit fucking rude. It is currently 4, I don't know what time it is. Anyways, 4:42. We are out of here. We are off. We are on the road. I can't listen to my music because I'm vlogging, which is so awesome. Like, I love that Ruby. I'll tell you what's happening. So last time I packed a lot of stuff and I did not use all of those things, and I had to carry all of these things for half an hour, and it was actually like 40 minutes to be honest, because I was dying and it was so heavy and it was so hot and it was awful. So this time I have only packed 3 things. So I've packed my pants, my jumper and some socks. It's gonna be super fun. I didn't even bring a tent. I'm just gonna be sleeping outside on the grass. So I'm gonna regret saying I'm gonna do that, but I am. It is a bit too late to change my mind because we're almost there. So. But anyways, I'll see you soon because I need to listen to some music here. Lucy's coming. Where should I Bella! How dare you! Our friendship is right. Oh my god, there it is. There you are. Hold on. Sorry. Where is your back? Oh, it's a 2-door. Of course it is. Yeah, I know. I don't have enough door. It's really embarrassing. I don't know. I hope you get pulled over one day while you're vlogging. It'd make you work. I know, I'm just so fucking ugly. Out there. It's just gonna be the whole thing me going like this. Well, I just have to like. Just drive. No! I missed it. Let's just go for a tiki tour. I honestly don't know. Oh my god. To be honest, I can't quite hear what you're saying, so I'm hoping my responses are coherent to what you're saying. My eardrum has healed. Now the antibiotics are still like, but my like infection's still like. Oh shit. Right. Hey. What flavour is that? Mangy. Mangy? You can get that from North Bay. Why did you support that slavery? Throat's okay, my nose is just a bit blocked. Oh yeah. So embarrassing. Yeah, thanks for that. We're gonna play. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I don't know why you both trusted me. I didn't. I know, when you seemed like 5 sharp. Yeah. Like, alright. Do you know who is coming and I'm not happy about it? Who? What are you gonna say in the vlog? Well, are you gonna clear it out? So I have to leave at 6 a.m. Wait! I mean, we have to leave at 6 a.m. No, you dumbass. I was about to say, take me home. Don't look around. Wait. Pizza or? Yeah, we're getting pizza. Yeah. Idiot. Just go right here. Idiot. And are we going to... I'm sweating dicks. I'm so confused. Right now we're in Pizza Hut. Oh wait, let me take off my hand sandwich eyes. We're in Pizza Hut now, waiting to get our pizza so we can actually eat.
The list is Zoe, Lucy, Savannah, Lennon, Miller, Elan, Sam, Jordan, Joe, Reese, Renee, Billy, Ethan.
Oh, Renee, that's funny. I actually said that before, but you don't listen to me.
You actually haven't asked me yet for a ride.
No, I did. Yeah, I did. I said, can I get a ride? And I said, I'm going with Miller. Oh, right. Can I ride with you again?
No, sorry.
No, Leon, come.
Oh, hello vlog. I'm Jordan.
I'm Lucy.
We're going camping. Same place, 3rd time.
Second time. Yeah, let's just not speak for yourself.
Sorry, I do not have a tent.
Lennon has a one for herself and I have one for myself.
I'm not carrying it. No, you have to either take a piece of wood or you don't fire.
Okay,
Oh, I'm dying!
Oh my god, are you okay?
No!
You know what? No, actually, I don't have to take wood.
Yeah, you fucking do.
It's your wood.
Carry it! You have to take wood!
Some of my alcohol, then I don't have to carry wood. This hurts like a cunt.
I downsized this one.
Hey guys.
What?
Okay, so 2 minutes in and we're going back because I forgot my jumper, my sweater, and like now I'm thinking that it's fine, but like later on I'm gonna regret it, so I have to go back and get this sweater. Now we're back on the road. So far so good, except I have a stitch and I think I'm ready to go home. So we caught up to the rest of them because they're so slow and we're so speedy. I'm so tired and I'm so dehydrated. We've got a bit of technical difficulties. So they're all lagging behind, and me being the strong hiker I am, I'm marching on. It's no time to stop, no time to muck around here. Yes? Lucy is running to see if she can get there faster. No, I would join, but like that. No! Hey guys. We think we're almost there, but
We're just not really sure, you know.
I'm gonna die in a second. And like I need some water right now.
If you want, you can drink from my water, but you're not drinking out my sippy thing, you strict throat person.
No, because I want to have it as a reward.
Oh, as a reward.
When I reach home.
You want to dehydrate yourself?
Yep.
Oh,
the way it
understandable.
goes. Yeah.
Fair. Yeah, no, I get that.
That's a good idea, eh? Go up here, take a sharp right. Update, we're almost there. I'm about to have an asthma attack.
Yeah.
But you know, with that! Lucy.
Oh, yes!
I'm sweet home. I'm a bit tired.
Yeah, just a bit.
On the bushes. We are not alone. You can actually hear them.
Milla, Lucy.
Hello. Hello.
Who are these? Who are these boys? Oh, shit. Who the hell are these guys? Who invited them?
Actually, do you want to sit around the fire or not?
What to be worried about, boys? Boys and girls? We can just go. We can go. Take the wood, Mella.
Hey guys, here we are. Funniest stream. I'm so tired and I'm not helping putting up the tents because helping putting up the tents because I'm not sleeping in one. And that was actually just my plan.
Don't do that.
So apparently I'm sleeping outside by myself. Someone's literally gonna come and murder me, so this is the last you'll probably see me. Vlog will probably never get up because I'll be dead. What else have you got in that bag of tricks?
You get my blanket in there, ain't you? Just my $100 set of blanket. What?
I don't need my AirPods.
Oh!
Belinda's sleeping bag. I will sit.
Sweetie. The other day, like, at the doctor's in front of my mum, oh, do you smoke? No. Fucking no, yes.
Lucy snapchatted at me and she's like, I just like didn't want to light at them, and like I said I don't, but like I do.
know.
And like you've had light at like 2 dark.
No, well, I was like, it just hit me in a different way, you know? They're like, oh, you know, did I didn't even think about it. I was just like, no.
Even if I asked if I drank, I would have said no.
I know, but afterwards,
Not
when
in
I was
front of
sitting in
my
the
mum.
waiting room, I was just like, oh.
What have you got there?
Stick and poke accessories.
So awesome.
It's really sterile. We're gonna get hand sanitizer and everything. So.
Wow.
Did you bring a wrap?
It's like a fistful of just chicken and wrap.
This is alcohol. No one want to sip? 99%.
I feel like Zoe.
You tell me if it hurts, okay? I'm scared to do it now. I'm like not gonna go hard for a little bit. So I like know how deep I need to go.
I just didn't think it was gonna happen.
Why is the top button done up as well? Like literally the highest button he's done.
Because he's skinny enough to do it up. I've never been able to do the top button.
Can we fuck it out?
Literally just got here and already has a dart in his mouth.
are you doing, Miller? Oh.
I'm so disappointed in you, Jordan. What is going on? Mom, I'm going home. There are people smoking. There's alcohol. I feel unsafe here. I feel unsafe.
This is the first time we've had guests, right?
Yeah.
This was our camping, like, it's kind of
yeah.
Let's go with it. Guys, this is kind of our thing. Can you mind if we... No, don't add that in. That's so mean.
No. Yeah. Shoot me.
No, it doesn't hurt.
Hey guys, so we're just going to get some service. It's been about an hour and 2 hours, and I'm ready to go home, honestly.
Guys, it doesn't look stable. How'd those kids get over here?
They jumped the fence.
Well, I can't do that.
No, we're good,
You're really gonna lower that booty.
There's our camper, our fellow campers. Beautiful view. I want to go for a swim in it. Just pop a bit of money. It's just so beautiful. You know, just on camera, you just can't see how good it is. It doesn't give it justice. Oh, excellent execution. I hate this dance.
Oh, and when we
What?
We're making something.
You're making them?
Yeah.
How are you planning on cooking them?
What?
Oh my god.
They're not melting.
Bro, I've only got 2% of my battery, bro.
Lucy's making some toast.
Oh, my back hurts.
Some of you may recognize this part from my vlog.
How are you? Hey, Zoe. Yeah. You haven't seen my phone?
Yeah, I've got it.
Yeah, wait, I knew she had
I
it.
said, oh, I'm taking Lucy's phone.
Did you tell me?
Zoe.
No.
Oh, that does fucking ring. That's awesome.
I'm hungry. I have snacks in my tent if you want to come. Little girl. I have candy.
Oh, speaker. What one? The red one they just accidentally kicked.
Oh, for fuck's sake, who took that?
I stood on it.
Stop, oh my god.
Jesus wept.
Amen, sister.
You're tired. Wait, Miss Sam, come on, my
Go, Sam!
Wash your mouth.
Hey guys, I'm so sorry, but I'm just going to sleep now because I have work at 8 AM sharp in the morning. And I want to be at home with my cats, and I can't be because I'm here. See you guys next time. Sorry that this has just been, nothing really happened in this vlog, but I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, so I was just gonna write at the end what happened and explain what happened, but I think just telling you a bit easier. So what happened was I got my top earring cartilage got infected, and it was really swollen. So I had to go home, and it was 2 o'clock in the morning, and so I walked back by myself to my car, and then I left. So basically I didn't even stay the night, I just had to go home, so I didn't film anything else. And I tried to film on my walk home, but then I didn't have much battery, so I didn't want to die. And I was already pretty much going to die anyways, because it was freaking scary. So yeah, sorry about that, but see you in my next video, okay, bye!